Hey, what's up guys? Back again with another video today. Haven't been posting a little bit because I've been doing a lot of projects and stuff like that. This including one, working on the boat and stuff like that too. But yeah, here it is, the Fiero, back again. You guys seen it a while ago, but we're working on it this time again. And yeah, we've been doing a lot to it, getting a lot of stuff done to it, and sooner or later it's gonna be road worthy. We got both the back brakes off because they were both frozen up. We're gonna send them out. Shipping's gonna be the thing that's going to delay us the most. But yeah, I was like, I've had Lukey been doing a lot of the work. Lukey's been putting a lot of sensors in and everything like that. He's just plugging up a couple wires. But we did oxygen sensor today. Lukey, what else did we do today?
Shit, I actually forgot.
Alright, so Lukey's having a real tough time doing the coolant sensor. But we did the oxygen sensor and placed a couple of caps. Put some new caps on it to make it look good. New coolant cap right there. But yep, I was like, it's gonna be a short video. We're just trying to work it out. Lukey's gotta take a bunch of shit off to put that there. I'm gonna work on this door panel. I gotta take this off. Bunch of stuff wrong with that. But it's definitely moving. I'm gonna be ordering the brakes later tonight. And we should have a driving car pretty soon. It's gonna be a short video, guys, but thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Gay. Peace. Hey, thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And always like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next time. Peace.